Here at Total Health Dental, we get it. Dental procedures, like gum disease treatment, can be a bit scary, but our main goal is to make sure our patients from the community feel at ease, safe, and well-informed every step of the way. First off, we think it's super important to keep our patients know what's happening throughout their appointment. We take the time to break down the gum disease treatment process, answer any questions, and chat about what you can expect during and after the procedure. We found that when you understand the process, it can help take away some of the fear or worry. Next, we work hard to make our office a calm and relaxing place. It's designed with your comfort in mind, and our friendly staff is always on hand to help you and make your visit as nice as possible. Then we use the latest technologies and techniques to make sure the procedure is as pain-free and quick as possible. And for those patients who are really nervous about dental procedures, we do offer sedation options. This can help you feel more relaxed and chill during your treatment. After the procedure, we give you a detailed aftercare instruction and always here to answer any questions or concerns you might have. We also set up follow-up appointments to check on your progress and make sure the treatment is going well. We know that every patient is different, and we're committed to giving you personalized care that fits your individual needs and preferences. Our team at Total Health Dental is all about making your gum disease treatment experience as comfortable and stress-free as we can. If you have any more questions or want to schedule an appointment, feel free to give us a call at 630-585-5600.